Speaking of Modi, he has always boasted of the development that has been going on in Gujarat. But is Gujarat really shining? At least not on the health front, as it seems to be unable to control the swine flu. With 158 deaths in the past 3 months alone, the state is the worst hit by the outbreak this season. Meghdut Charon has more.
The isolation ward at Rajkot Civil Hospital has witnessed a steady flow of swine flu patients over the past few months. In Rajkot district alone, there have been over 40 deaths due to swine flu since January the 1st this year. Districts in Saurashtra and North Gujarat have reported several cases. The entire state has had 818 confirmed cases of swine flu this year alone. What's a huge cause of concern is that the mortality rate in Gujarat is staggeringly high, with 158 deaths reported. In contrast, there have been just 16 deaths due to swine flu in Delhi, when more than 1500 cases have been reported this year. Rajasthan is also badly hit, with more than 115 flu deaths out of more than 549 cases. Special isolation wards like this one have been set up at all government hospitals in affected districts. But as State Health Minister Nitin Patel admits, there is no definite action plan, although the onset of summer could bring some relief.
जैसे ठंडी कम होगी, ऐसे इसका प्रकोप कम होगा और हम चाहते हैं कि जल्दी से इसके पर हम कंट्रोल करें। जैसे ये वायरस से होने वाला रोग है, इसलिए इसको कंट्रोल करना भी बहुत तकलीफ वाली बात है।
Experts say that apart from training general medical practitioners about H1N1, at least those in high-risk groups should be vaccinated against influenza before the onset of winter.
In this UK and all this our developed country, like they having a mass immunization in influenza vaccine, and nowadays influenza vaccine is easily available in local base and also international base. Both are available, so mass immunization is possible in high risk group only. Just first pilot project we can start.
Earlier this week, the Gujarat High Court too had pulled up the Gujarat government on its handling of the situation. Such a high death toll suggests something is seriously wrong with progressive Gujarat's medical infrastructure facilities. With Gaurav Shah and Meghdut Charon in New Delhi, Ayushman Jamwal.